Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 20 April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which state has decided that the health workers who are directly in the treatment of corona patients will be given a service amount of 10,000 every month as an honorarium. So this is done by Madhya Pradesh government. So some GK related to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Its CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and governor is Lalaji Tandon. Question number 2. Which of the following has acquired Britain's iconic sporting motorcycle Norton in an all cash deal? So this is acquired by TVS Motors company. So some GK related to TVS. TVS headquarters present in Chennai. It was formed in 1978 and chairman and MD is Venu Srinivasan. Question number 3. All postal employees including Gramin Dak Sevas will get how many lakh rupees compensation in case they come up with COVID-19? So this is 10 lakh rupees compensation. Some GK related to Indian Post. India Post headquarters present in New Delhi and it was formed on 1st October 1854. Its Director General is Sri Salim Haq. Question number 4. Saharai Oram passed away recently. He was related to which field? So he was a politician and former Odisha minister. Some GK related to Odisha. Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar. Its CM is Naveen Patnaik and governor is Ganeshi Lal. Question number 5. When is the Global Annual Day, World Voice Day held? So it is held on 16 April every year. So what is the theme for 2020? It is focus on your voice. So this is the theme of 2020. Question number 6. Which of the following application has reached 50 million downloads in just 13 days? Make it world's fastest download app. So this is Argya Setu. So it is launched recently and this is announced by Amitabh Kant, who is the CEO of Niti Aayog. Question number 7. Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Services has sold its what percentage stake in ILFS Wind Power Service Limited to Orix Corporation, Japan for rupees 6.05 crore. So this is 100% stake. They sold it totally. Question number 8. A government appointed committee of experts has proposed an institutional framework for valuers by way of setting up the National Institute of Valuers. Who was the head of the panel? So his name is MS Sahu. Question number 9. Who is the author of the book titled Shuttling of the Top, the Story of PV Sindhu? So PV Sindhu, as you know, he is the top badminton player of India. So who has wrote the book? His name is Krishnaswamy V. Question number 10. What is the rank of Achanta Sharat Kamal as per the latest senior men's ranking released by ITTF in April 2020? So his rank is 31 and AS Kamal surpassed G Satyan to become the highest ranked Indian men table tennis player. And in female category, Monica Batra is at highest. Her rank is 63rd. Question number 11. Where have a group of researchers recorded a new serpent and named it Salazar Pit Viper. So it is found in Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Its CM is Prema Khandu and governor is B.D. Mishra. Question number 12. Astronomers have found an Earth-sized planet called Kepler 1649c in its star habitable zone. The planet is located how many light years from the Earth? So it is 300 light years from Earth. Question number 13. According to SBI EcoRap report released in April 2020, India's GDP growth may fell to how much percentage in financial year 2021 owing to coronavirus crisis? So it is 1.1%. But the previously calculate is at 4.2%. Subjected to State Bank of India. State Bank of India headquarters present in Mumbai, and Rajneesh Kumar is its chairman. Question 14. Which of the following announced that its individual policyholders will get COVID-19 related additional benefit up to rupees 5 lakh at no additional cost? So this is done by Tata AIA Life Insurance. So Tata AIA Life Insurance headquarters present in Mumbai, and Rishi Srivastava is its CEO. Question number 15. As per the Gartner 2019 digital survey, which country is the most digitally dexterous country in the world? So it is India, and rank 2 is UK, and rank 3 is USA. So 27% of the digital workers in India are skilled experts in digital technology for work progress. Question number 16. India's renewable energy subsidies fell how much percentage from 2017-18 to 2018-19, while its oil and gas subsidies increased by 65%. So it is 35%. So who is the renewable energy minister? His name is Rajkumar Singh. So this is the current affairs of 20 April 2020. I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.